Very good evening, ma'am. First, we would like to thank you for your active and esteemed participation with myprivatetutor.com. We are going to conduct this interview and I am going to ask you the first question, that is, how long have you been in tutoring? Where do you see yourself 5 years down the line?
Very good evening. So I also enjoy the relationship with myprivatetutor.com. Let me answer to the first question. I've been in this training industry for the past 14 years. I started my journey in the year 2000 and now I'm completing 14 years. Out of these 14 years, I have traveled across Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, visiting more than 200 engineering colleges for my tutoring. And in the past 1 year, I've stepped into online tutoring also. And I've got the support of you people. And in the 5 years down the line, I am very sure that I will be one of the best online tutoring in the field.
Thank you for your answer, ma'am. The next question for you, madam. What do you think are the top 3 skills required in an accountancy teacher?
See, any teacher or any subject has to be started from the comfort level of the student. So whatever the student knows, the teacher has to build it up from there. So anything bigger or anything smaller will bore the student. And the second important skill is covering all the areas of the subject. So, and the third one, clearing all the doubts of the student individually are the 3 skills essential for any teacher.
The next question for you, share a few of your tutoring techniques.
I am basically a special educator. So based on the special education, I follow the method called VAC. V for visual, A for auditory, and K for kinesthetic. So in all my tutoring, whether it is direct or online, I use a lot of pictures and colors through PowerPoint presentations for visual. And then for auditory, my voice will be teaching, and also I'll make them listen to conversations for the auditory learners. And for the kinesthetic learners, I give a lot of practices and worksheets to be done. So this is the method I follow.
The next question for you, ma'am, share your thoughts on student-teacher accountability.
See, I believe the student-teacher relationship does not end with the classroom. So the teacher's responsibility, accountability lies in supporting the student whenever and wherever they require help. So many of my students are in touch even after many years. And the students' accountability would be, I request them to do the assignments and take the assessments, do the practice as given by the teacher. So this is the student-teacher accountability, I believe.
The next question for you, ma'am, how do you provide support for students who are not performing as well as they should?
So I told you about the VAC, that is visual, auditory, kinesthetic. Apart from that, there is another technique also called multiple intelligence. This is a very recently growing concept where we concentrate on, we believe on 8 intelligences every student has got, and I follow the particular 3 or 4 intelligences which a particular student uses. So, and also I give Skype classes individually to motivate and clear their doubts.
The last question for you, ma'am, how has My Private Tutor helped you with your tutoring?
As I told you, all these years I have been traveling and going to the students level from place to place and tutoring. After joining this myprivatetutor.com, I am able to cater to students across the country. I am able to deliver, or I'm able to really give results right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So that is my real success out of myprivatetutor.com.
Thank you for your valuable answers, ma'am, and thank you for interviewing with us.